Hello, guys. Um, welcome today. Yes, welcome. In today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, Tuesday, September the 14th, 2021. We have here an additional with extra puzzles. 9, I believe. The first one, Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars. Then we have 3 stars and 4 stars. Then the other 5 are the Tectonic with 4 stars, Tectonic with 1 star, Killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku Mix, and Binary Puzzle number 1, Binary Puzzle number 2. In this puzzle, I'm not interested, so total of 9 extra Sudokus or puzzles. Only 5 of them I will solve, otherwise it will be too much for me, time consuming. So, first one I will solve is a 3 stars Sudoku number 3390. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, plus 3, 14, plus 3, 17, 20, 22, plus 3, 25. Of course. 3 stars Sudoku has always 25 printed digits. And for 3 stars Sudoku, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve, if it's really a 3 stars. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Alright. Alright. Okay. We have a 3 in this row, 3 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. How about the 9 in this row? 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Then. How about? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see that 2, no 2 in these 3 boxes. There 2, no 2 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2. Should be there. 3 missing numbers in the first column. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these 2 boxes in this column. So 1 box left for the 7, should be there. 3, 3. Let me scan. 8. Yeah. 1. 2. 5. 6. 6. Yeah. We have a 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row. So the row between, the only place for the 9 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 9. How about 1. 2, 6. Ooh, okay. Ah, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 1. We have a 2 and a 1 in this row. So no 2 and a 1 in these 3 boxes. The 2 and the 1 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Alright. Okay. 8, 7, 8, and 4. Okay. I'm thinking. These 2 numbers in the first column. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8. 4 and 8. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and a 3. We have a 3 and a 6 in the second column, so no 3 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. The 3 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 6, we see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and the 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Okay. Then, one. Yeah, think. 8. Okay, 4. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and a 7. We have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this column and a 7 in the same column. So the 4 and the 7 in this column cannot be in these 2 boxes. The 4 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes in this big square. Let me mark those 2 boxes, alright. So the other pair in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and a 9 are missing. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 9 goes there. 1 box left in the second column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 is missing, yes. 8 is missing. 3 missing numbers in the last row. 1 of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. There an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in the last row for the numbers 4 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. So we have a 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 4 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6. Let me mark those. Oh, we have a 5 there. So this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 6. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, we see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Alright. So 5. And we have a 6 in this column. 6 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only place for the 6 should be there. 4, 4, 4. Yeah. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1. The 2 is missing. 3. The 4 is missing. 2, 4, 6. 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 2, 4, 7. 2, 4, 7. We have a 2 and a 4 in the middle column. So no 2 and a 4 in this box. The 2 and a 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 7. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 1 number left in this column for the number 1. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 2. Then 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3. 3 missing numbers in the middle row. Those missing numbers in the middle row are the numbers 2 is 1. The 2 is missing. 3 is missing. 4 and the 5 is missing. 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, and look, we have a 2 and a 3 in the middle column. So no 2 and a 3 in this box. The 2 and the 3 goes in those two boxes. So 1 digit left should be the 5. 1 box left in the middle column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 8 is missing. Alright. So we have a 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3, we see there 3. No 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 number left in this middle row for the number 2. 2 and a 3, yes, earlier, yeah. Okay, now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 4. So we have a 4 in this row, first row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. Then 3 missing numbers in this row. The 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. And the 8 is missing. 1, 7, 8. 1, 7, 8. And look, we have a 1 and 8 there in this column. So no 1 and 8 in this box. The 1 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 8. So 1 digit left in this row for the number 7. Alright. Then. Yeah. How about 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 6, 7, 8. And look, we have a 7 and 8 in this column. So no 7 and 8 in this box. The 7 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 7 and 8. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 6. Alright. Okay, 2 numbers left in this column. 1, 2, the 3 is missing, 4, and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, We share 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this big square. Here we have the pair 1 and 8. The other pair should be the numbers 5 and 6. 5 and 6 are missing. We share 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 6 goes there. So we have 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So the third row, the only place for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left. Wait. 2 numbers left in the first row. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7. We share 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. And now we have a 7 there. So this box can be 7 anymore. That box should be in 7, and this box should be in 8. Now we have an 8 there. So this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 1. Final 2 numbers of this big square. The numbers are 1 and 2. 1 and 2. We share 1 and 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Well. Is this 3 stars? No. Is this a 2 stars then? Yeah, let me give this a 2 stars. Because for 2 stars, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. And I've solved this in 16 minutes. And I like this one, yes. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku. It will be a 4-star Sudoku. See you then. Bye bye for now.